Ating sagutan ang question number 9. Alam kong basic lang sa inyo to, and this is an example of a ratio. Okay, so sa ratio na to, we're going to use the model of the age problem. So sa question natin, the ratio of a daughter's age to her mother's age is 1:4. Take note po ito 1:4. If the daughter is 8 years old, how old is the mother? A, 24 years old, B, 28 years old, C, 32 years old, D, 36 years old. Dito sa part na to, we're going to identify that let the daughter's age be D, the mother's age be M. So gagawa tayo ng equation natin. The ratio of the daughter's age to her mother's age is given as 1:4. So, equation natin, we're going to use this D over M, n equals 1:4 or 1/4. Okay? So, kung mapapansin niyo dito sa part na to, si daughter daw ay 8 years old. And hahanapin natin si mother. So, let's equate the D into 8. So, 8 over M equals 1/4. Dito sa part na to, kapag nakarating ka dito sa part na to, you're going to use the cross multiplication. So, 8 times 4 and 1 times M tayo sa part na yon. Okay? So, we have 8 times 4 equals 1 times M. And that is equal to 8 times 4, 32. And 1 times M equals M. So, si mother ay 32 years old. So, let's check if they are proportion. So, 8:32 is equal to 1:4. Therefore, letter C tayo sa part na to, 32 years old na si mother. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.